Before we started working with FLYdocs, all of our records were manually archived in the paper form in a remote off-site location. Therefore, to access those records, we had to send people to go through thousands of boxes to locate individual records.
The value that FLYdocs brings is that it completely transforms this outdated records management workflow and creates that single source of truth that the aviation industry has so sorely been missing. FLYdocs provides an end-to-end asset management platform, which makes records management extremely efficient, consistent, and safe. The system enables airlines to be able to store their records, which makes the searching for documentation and records exceptionally simple.
With the FLYdocs platform, we have our records at the touch of a button, retrieved in seconds. We can constantly check those records for compliance all the way through the lease term. Therefore, if we find issues, we can identify them there and then, plan ahead and make sure that we're in good shape for the returns well in advance.
All the documentation from the very point the aircraft goes in the system, all the paperwork filters into the correct binders and folders with all the associated paperwork, which means when we return an aeroplane, we don't have to go digging. It's already there, it's already linked and it's already collated.
We've been working with FLYdocs now for 17 years. In those 17 years, we haven't had one late redelivery.